Chicago pulsates with a vibrant energy. It's a city that never sleeps, a melting pot of cultures and dreams. From its iconic skyline to its friendly locales, Chicago has a unique charm that captivates all. Whether you're strolling along the Magnificent Mile or exploring its diverse neighborhoods, you'll feel the city's heartbeat. It's a city that embraces you with open arms and leaves you wanting more. Chicago's allure lies in its ability to blend history with modernity. It's a city where architectural marvels stand tall alongside innovative designs, a testament to its ever-evolving spirit. Come, let's delve into the heart of Chicago and uncover the secrets that make it so special. Let's explore the history, the culture, and the spirit that make this city truly one of a kind. Chicago's history is as captivating as its present. From its humble beginnings as a trading post, the city rose from the ashes of the Great Fire, showcasing its resilience. The spirit of innovation that rebuilt Chicago is evident in its numerous historical landmarks. Take a stroll along the Chicago Riverwalk and you'll be greeted by grand buildings that narrate tales of a bygone era. Each brick and cobblestone whispers stories of the people who built this city, their dreams, and their struggles. The Chicago Cultural Center, once the city's first public library, stands as a testament to Chicago's commitment to art and culture. Its stunning architecture and intricate mosaics offer a glimpse into the city's rich past. Chicago's history is not just confined to museums and landmarks. It's alive in the city's spirit, in its vibrant neighborhoods, and in the hearts of its people. Chicago thrives on its diversity. People from all walks of life, cultures, and backgrounds call this city home, creating a vibrant tapestry of human experience. Walk through Chinatown, Little Italy, or Greektown, and you'll be transported to different corners of the world. Each neighborhood has its own unique flavor, a testament to the city's multicultural heritage. The aroma of spices, the sounds of different languages, and the vibrant street life create a sensory experience like no other. Chicago's cultural diversity is also reflected in its vibrant arts and music scene. From blues and jazz to improv comedy and theater, Chicago has something to offer everyone. Experience the soulful melodies of blues at Kingston Mines or laugh your heart out at the Second City, the birthplace of improv comedy. Chicago embraces its multiculturalism, and this diversity is what makes the city so unique and exciting. Chicago's skyline is iconic, a testament to its architectural prowess. From the majestic Willis Tower, once the tallest building in the world, to the elegant curves of Aqua Tower, Chicago's buildings are a sight to behold. The city's architectural legacy is a blend of different styles, Art Deco, Neo-Gothic, and modern, creating a captivating contrast. Take a river cruise or simply gaze upwards from Millennium Park, and you'll be mesmerized by the sheer ingenuity of Chicago's architectural marvels. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the Chicago Cultural Center and marvel at its stunning Tiffany Dome, a masterpiece of stained glass. Or take a walk down the Magnificent Mile and admire the grandeur of the Wrigley Building and the Tribune Tower. Chicago's architecture is a testament to its history, its ambition, and its enduring spirit. Section 5. The soul of the city. Chicago's true charm lies in its people. Friendly, welcoming, and always ready with a smile, Chicagoans embody the city's warm spirit. They are proud of their city and eager to share its stories and secrets with visitors. Whether you're lost and seeking directions or simply want to strike up a conversation, you'll find Chicagoans to be helpful and genuine. They are the heart and soul of the city, and their warmth and hospitality make you feel right at home. Spend an afternoon at Wrigleyville, cheering for the Cubs with passionate fans, or enjoy a picnic in Lincoln Park with locals. You'll quickly discover that Chicago's greatest asset is its people. Their love for their city is contagious, and soon you'll find yourself falling in love with Chicago too. No trip to Chicago is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From deep dish pizzas to Chicago-style hot dogs, the city offers a smorgasbord of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. Head to Lou Malnati's or Pizzeria Uno for an authentic deep dish pizza experience. Don't forget to try a Chicago-style hot dog loaded with mustard, relish, onions, and pickles, a true taste of the city. As the sun sets, Chicago comes alive with its vibrant nightlife. From jazz clubs and blues bars to trendy rooftop lounges, the city offers a plethora of options to suit every taste. Enjoy live music at the Green Mill Cocktail Lounge, a historic jazz club that once hosted Al Capone. Or dance the night away at the Hideout, a cozy and intimate venue showcasing local and international acts. Chicago has always been a city at the forefront of innovation and progress. From the invention of the skyscraper to the birth of the blues, the city has a long and storied history of pushing boundaries. Today, Chicago continues to be a hub for technology, finance, and culture. The city is home to world-renowned universities, research institutions, and Fortune 500 companies, attracting talent and innovation from around the globe. Chicago is also a leader in urban planning and sustainability. The city's commitment to green spaces, public transportation, and environmental initiatives is evident in its numerous parks, bike paths, and sustainable infrastructure projects. Chicago's spirit of innovation and progress ensures that the city continues to evolve and thrive. It's a city that embraces the future while honoring its past, constantly reinventing itself while staying true to its roots. Chicago is a city that gets under your skin. It's the energy, the spirit, the warmth of the people that make you want to return again and again. Whether you're strolling along the lakefront, exploring its diverse neighborhoods, or simply soaking up the city's vibrant atmosphere, Chicago has a way of capturing your heart. Chicago embraces you with open arms, inviting you to be a part of its story. It's a city where dreams are made, where anything is possible, and where the spirit of resilience and innovation prevails. So come, experience the charm of Chicago for yourself. Let the city's energy wash over you, its history captivate you, and its people welcome you with open arms. Chicago is more than just a city. It's an experience, a feeling that stays with you long after you've left. It's the perfect blend of history, culture, architecture, and spirit that makes it truly unique. From its iconic skyline to its vibrant neighborhoods, Chicago offers something for everyone. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking a city with a pulse, Chicago won't disappoint. So, why Chicago? Because it's a city that has it all: a rich past, a vibrant present, and a promising future. It's a city that welcomes you with open arms and leaves you with unforgettable